Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Bang & Olufsen BEOLIT 12 wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having issues with this speaker not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it is not pairing or syncing with your phone or other device, or if it keeps disconnecting, or any issues like that can very often be fixed with a factory reset. The other reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to delete all of the connections off of here, and so that you can just basically set this up like it's a new speaker coming out of the box. We can go ahead and do this really simply. Now you're going to need a paper clip or something like that to hit the little recessed reset button that is on the side of it. But what you're going to do in order to do the reset is you're going to press and hold the reset button, and then you're going to press and hold the Wi-Fi button, and all the while continuing to hold the reset button, and then press and hold the power button. So you're going to do it in order like reset, Wi-Fi, power, but continue to hold once you start pressing, and just hold those two. And when the on and off button and volume buttons start to flash, then you can just let go of all the buttons. It will reset, at which point you can go ahead and set the speaker up as a brand new speaker.